How does baking soda get rid of acne scars? Overproduction of natural oil and bacteria is the main reason for acne. Areas with the largest number of oil glands such as the face, neck, hand do get affected by the pimple. Almost every adult face acne issues. Acne and pimples are most common for teenagers. Most of the time the age group is between 14 to 30. We all have to struggle with acne at some point in our life. Sometime in the process of dealing with acne, we get obsessed. Many times we use too many chemicals. Baking soda is very popular as scar prevention and acne breakouts, but is it safe? Before using baking soda we must follow some precautions and most importantly visit a doctor or dermatologist for guidance. We should not take our skin lightly. In this video, we will be discussing the usage of baking soda, safe for the skin or not. If you find this video useful then kindly subscribe to this channel to get more these kinds of useful content. Also smash the bell icon to get notifies when we publish a new video. So let's get started. The face is mostly affected by the acne but neck and back also do get affected. Though acne is not a very serious issue, still it hurts an individual's confidence. Doctors and dermatologists advise us not to poke pimples. So please do not poke pimples. Baking soda actually helps to remove all the acne marks and pigmentation. People can use baking soda in several ways like face masks, exfoliators, face wash, which are listed below. Firstly, add baking soda into a small amount of this with regular cleanser to give it a boost. For this, don't use more than half a tablespoon and mix with your hands before applying on the face. Now leave it for few minutes then wash it off with cold water. Secondly, you can use baking soda as an exfoliator. Take a small amount of baking soda, mix it with normal cleanser. Then rub it with your hands gently. Use cold water to wash your face. There are a few disadvantages which are stated below. It can be the reason for dry skin. It can cause itchy skin, irritations might appear. Many dermatologists do not advise to use baking soda directly on the skin, because it can be very irritating for the skin. So what we can do to avoid all these? Go through the points mentioned below. Baking soda can cause dryness of the skin. Put a required amount of moisturizer after that. It will help to moisturize skin properly. If you are deciding to use baking soda as a daily basis remedy for acne, be sure about skin exposure to the substance. If you face any rashes, irritation, pain, then please visit a dermatologist as soon as possible. If we mix olive oil with baking soda, it helps to remove all the dead skin cells and lighten up the acne scars. Olive oil's moisturizing ability helps to moisturize skin properly. It makes the skin very soft. It also helps to remove scars properly, but people with sensitive skin, please stay away from this. Is baking soda effective for acne? There is little research on whether baking soda as an acne treatment effective or not. Many dermatologists suggest against using it. Our skin's pH balance is 4.5 and more than this suggests skin is acidic. Baking soda has a pH of 9. So that means it is alkaline and can do worse than good. It will damage your skin's natural ability. Skin will stop producing natural oil. It will become itchy, dry, even you can face rashes as well. Precautions: though the doctor does not suggest to use baking soda, still if you have decided to use it, please follow these steps after using baking soda. Please keep an eye on the quantity and frequency of baking soda. Do not overexpose your skin to the sun. Don't rub baking soda on your face too much. Always avoid both the eyes to get contacted. If you face any rashes, irritation, pain, then please visit a dermatologist as soon as possible. It can damage your skin's sensitivity, so don't be over-depend on baking soda. Thank you so much for investing your valuable time to watch this video. Please like and share with your friends and help them to get benefit from this video.